Welcome back to the Carb Wars again, everybody. We are back today to draw the car for the winner of the Carb Wars. You see I got 5 names here. That's all the comment on it, so it's a pretty good chance somebody's going to take the car home. You know, got a 1 in 5 chance of being the winner, right? But there's a twist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the names in a hat, pull them out, and we're going to start out with number 5, 4, 3, 2, and then, of course, the grand prize winner. And then I'll let you know the rest of the details. Now, keep in mind, whoever wins needs to get their address to me. jmgargoyle@gmail.com. And considering I pretty much know all but one person on here, I'll know if it's the person or not. So, all right. Let me grab a hat here. We have Rico Bobby. We have Gerald Reader or Writer. Not sure how to pronounce your last name, Gerald. But you're in here. We have Scoobers. Everybody knows who Scoobers is. Somebody else everybody knows, Santa Slow Dog. And last but definitely not least, Papa, Eddie Papandrea. This up a little bit so you can see that I'm not looking at it. And position number 5 is going to go to Eddie Papandrea. Sorry, Eddie, you didn't win the first prize in this one. But don't go anywhere yet. Eddie P. All right. Position number 4. Goes to Rico Bobby. Rico. Don't go anywhere yet, Rico. This ain't over yet. In position number 3, Santa Slow Dog. Hey, Gerald's got a pretty good chance. In position number 2, Scoobers, which means Gerald did get first place. Scoobers and Gerald. Now, since there's only 5 of you guys, that was a little depressing, to be honest. I'm getting kind of down on YouTube lately. But those who've won stuff from me before probably already know something's coming because I have a twist to everything. Every video, there's some kind of twist. Not only am I giving away the grand prize one, which would be Gerald was Holley. So that is Gerald's now. We're also giving away this one, which goes to number 2. So Scoober gets this, which is good because that's the one he voted for. And then we have these. That's right, I'm pulling an Oprah. You get a car, you get a car, you get a car, you get a car. Everybody gets a car. This is going to go to our 3rd place. This is going to be Santa. Rico, you're getting a Rat Fink super van. That's an actual super van from the 70s that I redid. And then last but not least, Eddie P, you're getting another one to go with the 4 that you just got. So Eddie made out like a bandit this week. But yeah, you guys go ahead and get me your addresses. jmgargoyle@gmail.com. Put your address, put your screen name on it, because that's what I know you guys as. And get those to me, and I will get these out in the mail to you as quickly as possible. Thanks for playing the game or playing along and commenting like I asked. And I hope you guys keep them in your collection for a while. Hope they have a nice little spot on a shelf somewhere. Well, until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.